In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Outlook QR code. To get the Outlook QR code, especially for signing into the Outlook mobile app or linking your Outlook account with Authenticator apps, the process is quite simple. Microsoft uses QR codes primarily for setting up Outlook email on mobile devices and enabling two-factor authentication, 2FA, through apps like Microsoft Authenticator. Here's how to do it. First, open the Outlook app on your desktop or browser. Go to outlook.live.com or open the desktop version. Once you've logged in, you'll land right on your Outlook inbox. This is your command center for managing all your emails. Shift your focus to the top right corner of the screen. That's where you'll spot the settings icon. Clicking this icon will either open a drop-down menu or slide out a settings pane from the side, depending on how your Outlook is set up. This is your gateway to personalizing your email experience. In the settings area, hunt for the account option. Next, head over to the mobile devices section. Outlook is optimized for mobile use, and this setting is your bridge to that functionality. Now, click on the option labeled Get the Outlook app. Clicking it will take you to the magic moment, your personalized QR code. Once the page loads, a QR code will be displayed. This one's unique to your account. If you're using your phone right now, open your camera, scanner, and aim it at the screen. Hold steady while your device scans the code. It should quickly recognize it and prompt you to open the Outlook app or take you to the download page if you don't have it yet. Follow the instructions on your phone to complete the connection. And just like that, you've successfully linked your Outlook account to your mobile device using a QR code. Just keep in mind, QR codes for Outlook are not permanent. They expire quickly for security. Always generate a fresh one each time you want to log in or connect a new device. Thank you for watching this video.